Are you ready for the ultimate hardware explosion that is officially bringing humanoids into the real world? China, Vietnam, and Nvidia have just unleashed a massive robotic wave that completely redefines embodied intelligence. The global robotics race just underwent an industrial scale upgrade during the mid 2026 tech keynotes, revealing automation metrics that are absolutely paradigm shifting away from rigid, isolated laboratory concepts. The race for total physical automation has officially spilled over into commercial reality, starting in Shanghai. Jaka Robotics unveiled Pi, a highly compact 4-foot tall humanoid platform weighing 92 pounds, meticulously engineered for real-world testing and agile human-robot collaboration. Pi features 27 degrees of freedom, driven by integrated joint modules that are 15 to 27% smaller than previous tech generations, turning this compact machine into an ultra-lightweight research powerhouse. Its knee joints punch out an incredible 120 Newton meters of torque for rock-solid walking stability, while each arm handles a steady 3 kg payload. The true engineering masterpiece is its double-brain fusion architecture, built on Intel's heterogeneous platform. It cleanly isolates high-level AI reasoning, vision, and large language models within the cerebrum, while locking real-time millisecond latency motion control inside an Ethercat-based cerebellum. These systems are scaling with lightning velocity, as China has already deployed humanoid sorting systems directly into its postal logistics hubs in Guangzhou. But the true international surprise came from Vietnam's primary technology ecosystem, where two separate entities drove massive humanoid announcements at ICRA 2026 and Computex. The first company debuted Dino, a versatile highly intelligent assistant targeting urban security, campus surveillance, and domestic home care simultaneously. Dino proved its operational durability in high-traffic pilot deployment at Winpearl Safari Food Park, handling massive crowds, unpredictable ambient lighting, and outdoor noise, while naturally guiding visitors using real-time multilingual speech interaction. This infrastructure is built upon a compact actuator joint weighing under 1 kilogram that runs for over 10,000 operational hours, paired with a human-like hand sporting 11 moving joints and integrated for sensors for delicate object manipulation. Right alongside it, their sister company unveiled the third generation industrial humanoid built for material handling and automated assembly, packed with 31 actuators. And double on-board edge computers for zero latency local autonomous decision making without relying on remote data loops. To seal this global automation matrix, Nvidia completely disrupted the developer ecosystem by introducing the world's first open humanoid reference design built on the ISAC platform, rather than forcing engineering labs to stitch together disparate sensors, hands, and software middleware. Nvidia provided a comprehensive 6-foot human-scale reference robot weighing 150 pounds with an astronomical 75 total degrees of freedom, thanks to double tactile 5-finger hands and wrist-mounted cameras. The core processing brain is driven by Nvidia's Jetson AGX Thor computing platform, leveraging a Blackwell-based architecture to pump out 270 teraflops of raw onboard AI performance with top-tier research institutions like Zurich and the Stanford Robotics Center already locking in this reference design. The pace of physical AI has entered a terminal unstoppable velocity curve. But with China, Vietnam, and Nvidia aggressively pushing autonomous humanoids out of research labs and straight into security zones, logistics hubs, and our living rooms, how fast will the global workforce alter forever, and what is the next hidden mechanical breakthrough set to drop next month? We are exposing the exact developer frameworks in our next release to lock in these exclusive intelligence reports daily. Subscribe to the channel immediately and turn on all notification alerts. Join the frontier of the AI revolution.